To hard reset your Itel A37, the first thing you have to do is to power off the device. As you can see, the device has been powered off. So the next thing you have to do is to press the volume down key and the power key together for a few seconds. Continue to hold it until you see the Itel logo on the screen. Then you release the power key and continue to hold the volume down key for a few seconds. Continue to hold it, then release the power key and continue to hold the volume down key for a few seconds. This will take you to the recovery menu. So this is the recovery menu. So the next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to select wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your power key to select. Use your volume down key to select to factory data reset. Then click this menu to start to add reset your device by using your power key. Then the next thing you have to do is wait to see the phone at reset. Check out this channel for more interesting video. This is Brain Tech YouTube channel.